So you've lost your job. That stinks. Suddenly your life feels like a Jenga tower in an earthquake. Amidst updating your resume and figuring out unemployment, a new worry appears: health insurance. For most of us, insurance is tied to our job. When the job goes, so does the coverage, leaving you exposed and stressed. The jargon, COBRA, ACA, Marketplace, Subsidies, can make your head spin. You get a thick packet from your employer, full of confusing text and acronyms. All you want to know is, can you still see your doctor without breaking the bank? This process is overwhelming, but you're not alone. Millions face this every year. The key is to break it down step by step and understand your options. Think of it like assembling IKEA furniture. Intimidating at first, but manageable with clear instructions. Our mission today is to demystify COBRA versus ACA. What they mean, what they cost, and how to choose. Health insurance is crucial for peace of mind and financial protection. Take a deep breath. We'll tackle this together and help you make a confident decision. Let's talk COBRA. It lets you keep your old employer's health plan for a limited time after losing your job, but at a price. COBRA coverage usually lasts up to 18 months, sometimes longer for special cases. Your employer must notify you about COBRA eligibility, and you have 60 days to decide. Here's the catch: you pay the full premium, what you paid plus what your employer paid, plus up to a 2% administrative fee. That's why COBRA is often much more expensive than what you're used to. For example, if you paid $150 a month and your employer paid $450, you'll now pay $600, plus a small admin fee. The jump in cost can be shocking. The main advantage? You keep your exact same plan and doctors, which is huge if you're in the middle of treatment. But the financial reality is hard to ignore. COBRA is about continuity, at a price. Understanding this cost is crucial before you make a decision. Let's see how to calculate it for your situation. Time to calculate your COBRA cost. It's easier than you think. Your COBRA election notice will state the exact monthly premium, including the full cost and the 2% admin fee. If you want an estimate before the notice arrives, check your last pay stub for your contribution. Find out what your employer paid. Sometimes it's on a benefits statement, or ask HR. Example, you paid $250/month, employer paid $450, total premium $700. Add 2% admin fee, $700 x 0.02 = $14. Your COBRA premium is $714/month. That's a big jump from $250. Do this math for your own numbers. Don't guess. Knowing your COBRA cost gives you a clear number to compare with ACA options. Grab your paperwork and a calculator. Knowledge is power. This number is your starting point for making an informed choice. Now, let's look at the ACA Marketplace. Enter the ACA Marketplace, your alternative to COBRA. It's an online hub for health insurance plans, designed for people without employer coverage. Plans are grouped into bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, each with different premiums and out-of-pocket costs. The big advantage: subsidies or premium tax credits can lower your monthly payments based on your income and family size. Losing your job triggers a 60-day special enrollment period, so you don't have to wait for open enrollment. The Marketplace lets you compare plans, check if your doctors are in-network, and see if you qualify for subsidies. For many, ACA plans can be much cheaper than COBRA. It's a flexible, often affordable option worth exploring. Wondering if you qualify for ACA subsidies? It's easy to find out online. Healthcare.gov and state marketplaces have calculators to estimate your premium tax credits and cost-sharing reductions. Enter your zip code, household size, and estimated income for the year. After a job loss, estimate your income carefully, including unemployment benefits. Example, if your COBRA premium is $714, but the ACA calculator shows you qualify for a $300 subsidy, a $400 ACA plan could cost you just $100/month. You can also compare plans, filter by premium, deductible, and check if your doctors are covered. These tools empower you to shop around and find the best fit. Don't skip this step. It could save you hundreds each month. Now the big comparison: COBRA versus ACA Marketplace. COBRA keeps your old plan and doctors, but you pay the full price, often much higher. ACA plans offer a range of prices and potential subsidies, making them more budget-friendly for most people after job loss. If you're in the middle of treatment or have met your deductible, COBRA's continuity can be a big plus. ACA plans have different networks and deductibles, so check if your providers are included and what your new costs would be. Remember, if you switch to ACA mid-year, your old deductible payments don't transfer. It's a balancing act. COBRA offers familiarity at a cost. ACA offers flexibility and savings, but requires research. Compare both options side by side. The right choice depends on your health needs, provider preferences, and budget. Let's talk strategy for making your decision. Choosing between COBRA and ACA is personal. There's no universal best answer. Start by listing your doctors, medications, and expected medical needs. Check if ACA plans cover your providers and prescriptions. Calculate your COBRA cost, then get ACA estimates with subsidies. Compare not just premiums, but deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket maximums. A low premium isn't a good deal if the plan doesn't cover what you need. Remember, you have a 60-day window to enroll in either option after losing coverage. Don't procrastinate. Missing the deadline could leave you uninsured. Start your research early and give yourself time to make the best choice. You have a strict 60-day window to enroll in COBRA or an ACA plan after losing job-based coverage. Miss it, and you could be uninsured for months, risky for your health and finances. For COBRA, your employer must notify you, and you have 60 days to elect coverage. For ACA, the 60-day special enrollment period starts when your coverage ends. If you miss either window, you'll likely have to wait until the next open enrollment. Don't wait until the last minute. Start gathering documents and comparing options as soon as you know your job is ending. Mark the deadline on your calendar. Give yourself time to make an informed, stress-free decision. Treat this as a top priority. Your future self will thank you for acting quickly. You've made it through the maze of COBRA and ACA options. It's a lot, but you can handle it. The key steps: find your COBRA cost and deadline, explore ACA plans and subsidies, compare options, and enroll before time runs out. Don't hesitate to ask HR or use online support for help. Break the process into small tasks and tackle them one at a time. Securing health insurance is self-care and financial protection. You're resourceful and capable. This is manageable. Stay informed as your situation changes. Take a deep breath and make your choice with confidence. You've got this. Good luck, you awesome human.